Hello viewers, I am Wasim Raza from Italy. 12 US service members and at least 60 Afghans have been killed in two bombing attacks outside Kabul's airport, according to the Pentagon and Afghanistan's Ministry of Public Health. What is the next? As we know very well that the US and UK have been warned already during the last week their citizens to be away from Kabul airport because they had already warned their people that there could be a possible attack on Kabul airport, but the people were outside Kabul. A large number of people were there outside the Kabul where took this attack. Actually, there were the two attacks, but according to some news items, there were the three. There was a firing. Actually, this could be a rocket attack or bomb attack, suicide bombing. But this is still to be known. What is actually the cause of these attacks and the blasts? The deadly blasts came as the United States and the Western countries raced to complete a massive evacuation of their citizens and Afghan allies following the Taliban takeover of the country. According to more details, an official with the Afghanistan Ministry of Public Health told that more than 60 Afghan people were dead and 115 US service members were injured, in addition to 12 dead, said General Frank McNasty, commander of the Center Command. US President Joe Biden has also reacted. Speaking from the White House, called the troop hells. Cheer and I are hard as like I am sure of you do as well, he said. For all of those Afghan families who lost loved ones, including small children who have been wounded in this vicious attack, we are outraged, heartbroken. Joe Biden has also warned the attackers, saying that we will not forgive, we will not forget, and we will hunt you down, make you pay.